Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the salary sacrifice calculator from top to bottom and show you what each part means for your take-home pay and pension. First, here's the layout. I'm scrolling from the top to the bottom so you can see the full tool. What you're seeing on screen is the default preview. We'll now enter our own details step by step. Your details, step 1. Your annual salary in the box for enter your annual gross salary before deductions, I'll type £35,000. Step 2. Region. Next, choose your region, England, Wales, and Northern Ireland or Scotland. For this example, I'll select England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Step 3. Pay frequency. Choose how often you're paid, monthly, 4-weekly, or weekly. I'll select monthly. Salary sacrifice. Now we'll set your salary sacrifice amount. You can choose per year or percentage of salary. If you pick per year, enter a pound amount. A typical range is £1,000 to £5,000 per year. For this demo, I'll enter £1,500 per year. If you pick percentage of salary, enter a percentage. A typical range is 3 to 10% of salary. For example, 5%. For this walkthrough, I'll stick with per year and keep £1,500. Pension contributions. Existing employee pension contribution percentage. This is optional. You can add 1%, 2%, or any percentage you currently contribute. I'll leave this blank for now. Employer pension contribution percentage. Set the percentage your employer contributes. I'll leave this at 3%. Additional options. There are a couple of optional settings you can use if they apply to you. Student loan plan. By default, it's set to none. If you have a student loan, you can choose Plan 1, Plan 2, Plan 4, or Postgraduate. For this example, I'll keep none. Child benefit charge. If you click to expand this, you'll see more options related to the high-income child benefit charge. Use this only if it applies to you. I won't use it in this example. Your results. As soon as you enter your details, the calculator updates automatically. You'll see headline figures such as your annual net gain, how much better off you are after salary sacrifice, employer saves, the employer's national insurance saving, and pension boosted by. How much extra goes into your pension? If you want a deeper breakdown, look at the comparison sections, without salary sacrifice and with salary sacrifice. This shows how the sacrifice changes your pay, tax, national insurance, and pension contributions. That's it. You now know how to enter your details, pick the right options, and read the results in the Salary Sacrifice Calculator. Thanks for watching, and Salary Sacrifice Calculator tool link in description.